My name's Ted Williams. I'm the president of Senesco Marine.
My name is Mike Foster, and I am Vice President and General Manager here.
Senesco Marine's been in existence for over 25 years. We build a myriad of vessels for the commercial industry, including tugs, barges, ferries, dry docks. We're currently also looking to expand to get into DoD operations as well.
Senesco Marine is a company of first. As you can see the vessels behind us right now, we're building first of their kind.
Senesco's been fortunate to build two very unique vessels, both of which are low carbon, first ever hybrid and first ever electrically propelled ferries built in Rhode Island. These two unique ferries that we're building, they're efficient, also very low carbon emitting, and will be a great asset on the waterfront. Senesco has a unique family culture. We're a team. Most of the folks have been here for quite some time, and everyone takes great pride not only in what we build, but how we build it.
As shipbuilding is evolving here in the United States with green energy, blue energy, a lot of customers now are looking for what is the cleanest way or the greenest way to actually do business. It has impacted us greatly with new designs, new technology that we've introduced here to Senesco Marine to be able to construct these vessels for our different partners and companies.
We're proud to champion the fact that Senesco Marine is green certified. We think that carries weight with our employees, but also potential customers and the environment and people that are involved with Senesco. I think the Rhode Island DEM Green Certification Program is a great benefit to manufacturers. It's a relatively easy process, as manufacturers will see, and it keeps everyone alert and aware of where they can potentially make steps to make their company, their organizations more efficient, more sustainable, more green.
Different companies where they come in and say, we would like a vessel built, they ask questions such as, what is your background? What is your history? And I believe the green certification here that we have now at the forefront of Senesco Marine actually puts a feather in our cap. We're able to show them how we're able to operate, which is different than older technology. The green certification program, I believe once people get a hold of it, they're able to see the impact it can have to our local economy, how we do business, and how we can support each other in operations here in the state of Rhode Island.